In this problem, we are trying to figure out what the measure of angle BDE is. So let's go ahead and highlight this. We want to know from B to D to E. We want to know what the measure of this angle is. So in order to figure out what the measure of that angle is, I need to know either this one here or that one there, because those guys are corresponding angles. How do I know that? Well, I know that this is a mid-segment right here, which means this is parallel to the base. So I have corresponding angles which are congruent, and I have consecutive interiors which add up to 180. In fact, this one and this one are my corresponding angles. So I'm going to make this equation where 4x plus 13 is equal in degree to 7x plus minus 20. Okay, I know these are angles because they have degree symbols. You see that degree right there? That means these are angles. Side lengths won't have degree symbols. So now that I have this equation, I can solve for x. So I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. So 13 equals 3x minus 20. Okay, now of course adding 20 to both sides. 13 and 20 is 33 equals 3x. Dividing both sides by 3, I get that x equals 11. Okay, that's wonderful that x equals 11. Very fun. But that doesn't answer my question. But it gets me on the road to answering my question. So now that I know that the value of x is, I can figure out what the measures of these angles are. So 7 times 11 minus 20. 7 times 11 is 77. 77 minus 20 is 57 degrees. So that angle right there is 57. So what I know is because these are consecutive angles, angle B and the green angle that I want, which is called BDE, I know that these two angles have to add up to 180 because they are consecutive interior angles. So this is the green one. Let's show you the green one. Here, this angle is the green angle right there. That's the one that we want. So if these two angles add up to 180, then it's a quick minusing of 57 or subtracting of 57 from both sides. And I get the measure of angle BDE is 123 degrees. And that's how you do this problem. So we know that these are angles because they have degrees. So we have to use the degree relationship that these are correspondings. Okay, that's all. Goodbye.